Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft cinema stand mount speaker in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic, and at this event you can just craft any special items. One of them is cinema stand mount speaker. And to craft this mount speaker is very easy. First just go to your workbench, tap on craft, and then just tap on the recipe of cinema stand mount speaker like this, and then make sure you already have this recipe. You can get this recipe from the battle pass, and after that just complete all the ingredients. You need timber and then ore and then light and shadow material pack. And after all the ingredients are complete, just tap on craft and then just tap on hold to continue like this. Just wait a moment, and then you will get this cinema stand mount speaker. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.